we're in front of the Bistro building right now, and as you can see, our guys just demoed the existing storefront. We boarded it up, protects public safety, keeps all the debris inside. All the glass shows up on site tomorrow. And so tomorrow, the glass gets shipped and they'll start cutting it, as well as demoing this to make the opening bigger. And then we'll be adding all new glass to this opening. And this is what it looks like now in the brewery building. Same concept, all the storefront work begins tomorrow. Within about a week's time, this entire block will look massively different, and so we're super excited to bring the storefront on site. We're up here on the roof. The last time we were here, our abatement company was here removing all the asbestos from this disgusting roof. This is for the restaurant building, and now what they're doing is patching all the rotted wood. When we first got these two buildings, the roof had two openings for skylights, and one of the things we wanted to do is get that natural light in. And so we went ahead and bought two skylights for our tenant, and you can see right here, we've begun framing them. One of the things about a bow truss building is because of the curvature of the roof, you sometimes have to frame. And so you can see here, we had to frame up to create a steady, basically a horizontal platform for the HVAC roof. Another thing that's pretty interesting about this is it actually cost more to redo this roof because of the curvature. And so if this were a flat roof, it probably cost about half, maybe 60%, but because we have this curve to deal with, we have to do a lot of interesting things to get it flat and also do some funny things with insulation and hot mop. So we're filming all about the roof, and oddly enough, you can see right over here, Elite Roofing Company, who we've hired to be our roof subcontractor. There it is. There's all the insulation on the truck. They'll be pulling in right here into the site. And maybe we'll be able to chat with them in a few. Guys are on the roof right now, and what they're doing is literally putting on the insulation and then the hot mop. So that's happening while we're in the building. One of the interesting things in California is that they actually still use tar. Tar is a great sealant. So whether you're doing a roof or whether you're doing, let's say, a kitchen remodel, so whether it's literally the floor drain in the shower, you're gonna need tar because it's gonna create the seal that you're looking for, and parts of California actually require it. We're about 3 weeks away from finishing our work in the brewery building. Then we'll turn it over to BorderX. There's one person you haven't met, and you're gonna meet her in the next video. She's our general contractor.